Hello, all. My name is Pavan Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video, we are going to discuss about the lazy regular expression. Okay. So before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay. So let's get into this. So in our previous video we have discussed about the character sets, we have discussed about the case conversion. Okay. So today we'll discuss about the lazy regular expression. Okay. So what we'll do is like we'll take an example. Then we'll try to understand what exactly the regular expression is, lazy regular expression is. Okay. So what I will do is like I will just take an example. Print off find pattern. Okay, so I have already defined about the pattern, and we have imported the regular expression. Okay. So here what I will do is like I will just try to give some input. I will try to give AAA 4B. Okay, I will give it as 5B and 2C. Okay. And now here again I will try to give some pattern. Here what I will do is like here I will try to give it as AB, and here I will try to give it as 4, 5. Okay. So in our previous videos you might have seen that if I try to give the input as AAA 5B, I think this is 5B, yeah, 5B 2C, and here if I try to give some pattern like whatever it may be, like AB or AC, and here if I try to give 4, 5 means, so here what exactly the output what it will give is like A followed by B 5 times. Okay. So here it will give the output, the range between whatever the numbers here I give. If I give 3, 5 means here it will give the output as A followed by B minimum 3 times and maximum 4 times. Okay. And suppose if you want the exact number, suppose if I give 4, 5, and suppose if I mention here question mark. Okay. So here what it will do is like A followed by B exactly 4 times. Okay. So now let's try to run this particular cell and we'll see. So here you can see A followed by B exactly 4 number of times. Okay. Because here I have given the question mark. Okay. Suppose if you give the question mark, whatever the number you give here, suppose if you want 3 times, 4 times or 5 times, so it will exactly match A followed by B. Here I have given 4, 5, and here I have given the question mark. So that's the reason the match is A followed by B 4 number of times, and the span is present between 2 to 7. So here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So here the thing is, whenever you give the question mark, so it will exactly match the it will exactly match the pattern present in the input. Okay. So this we call it as a lazy regular expression, or we can also call it as non-greedy regular expression. Okay. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.